Hello children, how are you? Fine, very good. So children, a very happy welcome to all of you to this channel. Today in this video, we will be reading a new chapter for class 7 for Mathematics Olympiad, that is Exponent and Power. Now students, because this is video number 1 for this series, so first of all we will go to read some concept behind this chapter, then we will do some questions. This is a to the power m. When I write in this form, this is called exponent form, right? Here a is called the base of this expression and m is called power or exponent of this expression. For example, if I say 5 to the power 7, here 5 is called base, 7 is called exponent. If I write 8 to the power 12, 8 is called base and 12 is called exponent. Now let us see some formula related to this exponent form. A to the power m into a to the power n, that is base is same, then power will be added. Remember, this is not the formula that is associated with this exponential form. A to the power m plus a to the power n is never going to a to the power m plus n. Similarly, a to the power m minus a to the power n is not going to be a to the power m minus n. There is no formula like that. If it is a to the power m by a to the power n, it will be a to the power m minus n. A to the power minus n, it will be 1 by a to the power n. In other way we can write 1 by a to the power n is equal to a to the power minus m. A to the power m whole to the power n becomes a to the power m into n. A b to the power n will be a to the power n into b to the power n. If a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, that is base is same on both sides of an equation, then the power will be same, that is x is equal to y. A to the power 0 is equal to 1, a can be anything except 0. That is 0 to the power 0 is not equal to 0. Any other thing to the power 0 is equal to 0. If it is minus 1 to the power even number, it is going to be 1, and if it's minus 1 to the power odd number, it is going to be minus 1. Just like minus 1 to the power 10 is equal to 1, minus 1 to the power 100 is equal to 1, minus 1 to the power 5000 is equal to 1. Minus 1 to the power 5 is equal to minus 1, minus 1 to the power 7 is equal to minus 1, etc. A to the power 2 minus b to the power 2, we call it a square minus b square. If it is something like this, then you can write it a plus b into a minus b. When I see a and b are very large numbers, it is difficult to find their squares, without it multiply them. In that case, I can use this formula to evaluate this value. Let's start. First question. Find the value of this expression. Find the value of minus 1 to the power 301, minus 1 to the power 302, minus 1 to the power 303. Just like that, we are going up to minus 1 to the power 400. Children, you can see here, it is written minus 1 to the power 301. It is started from 301, then 302, and it goes up to 400. That is from 301 to 400. There are 100 number of terms. Now let us see, let us check the first term and second term. What we are getting? First term, because power is odd, so I can write minus 1 here. This one is plus 1 because power is even. First and second. Two terms we are taking, then it is value is going to be 0. If I take the next two terms, again power is odd here. If I write the next term will be minus 1 to the power 304. So the power is even there, so it will be plus 1 here. So like that students, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, it goes up. And I can see because there are 100 number of terms, then we will have minus 1 plus 1, 1 pair, minus 1 plus 1, 1 pair, minus 1 plus 1, 1 pair. Like that, we will have 50 pairs. And you can see each pair is giving me a value 0. This pair is giving me 0 value. This pair is also giving me 0 value. This pair is also giving me 0 value. Because all the pairs are giving me 0 value, so at the end I am going to get a 0 here. So our answer is going to be 0. 50 number of zeros is going to be added. So the answer is going to be 0 for this question. So 0 is answer. I hope all of you understood this question. Just like this question, we will have the next question. See the next question, what is it? Minus 1 to the power 200, then minus 1 to the power 500. So it started from 200 and then it is going like this, 201, 202, like that it goes on like this, up to what? 500. Just imagine and see how many values are there, how many terms are there. This is minus 1 to the power 200, first term, minus 1 to the power 201, second term, like that how many terms are there. And we will see 500 minus 200, that is 300, plus 1, that is 301 number of terms are there. Just like the previous question, what we see, we have got 50 terms and we have got 50 pairs of minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1. So here we have got 301 terms. So how many pairs we are going to get, students? How many pairs we are going to get? So 300 by 2, that is 150. So 150 pairs of minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 will get. All those will give me 0 except one term. One term will be left. Now the question is, which term will be left? So this is going to be what? Minus 1 to the power 200 plus minus 1 to the power 201. If I write like this is giving me 1 plus this is giving me minus 1. If I go like this is the first two terms. If I go for the next two terms, what will I get? This will be 1 again and minus 1. So 1 minus 1 once again. Okay, like this how many terms we are going to get, children? Obviously 150 of this type of terms we are going to get. This type of pair we are going to get. And you see, all of these pairs will give me 0 value. All of these pairs will give me 0 value. So we'll be left with one more value. And one more value will be what? The last value. The last one will be minus 1 to the power 500. You can see the power is even here. Because the power is even, so I have to write 1 here. So what I see here, 0, 0, 0, 150 number of zeros are there. And they will add up to give me a 0 value. Plus 1, that gives me 1. So my answer is going to be 1 for this particular question. I hope everybody understood this one. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next one is what? This is 1024 divided by 243 to the power 3 by 5. Okay, basically this question is meant for what? This question is meant for the power, this 1024. I'll have to express this in terms of the prime number. So if I write 1024 as prime number, I am going to get 2 to the power 10. How? You can write it like this: 1024 divided by 2, 512 divided by 2, 256 divided by 2, 128, 2, that is 64. Then you can write 32. Then it will have 16. Then it is 8. Then 4. Then 2 and 2. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So that's why it is going to be 2 to the power 10. If it is 512, it is going to be 2 to the power 9. If it is 256, it is going to be 2 to the power 8. 128, it is going to be 2 to the power 7. Like this. Similar way, I can find 243 something like this. 243 is equal to 3 to the power 5. You can check that. Alright. So what I can write here, it will be 2 to the power 10 divided by 3 to the power 5. Now whole to the power 3 by 5. Now how I am going to simplify it further? This is the formula. You can use a by b to the power n. I can write a to the power n by b to the power n. So if I use this formula, I am going to get 2 to the power 10 whole to the power 3 by 5 divided by 3 to the power 5 whole to the power 3 by 5. So this is how I can write it like this. Now what to be done? See, a to the power n to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. A to the power n to the power n can be written as something like this: 2 to the power 10 into 3 by 5 now, divided by 2 to the power 5 into 3 by 5. Because in place of n we have got 5 here, in place of n we have got 3 by 5. So this 5 get cancelled, this 5 get cancelled to this one to give you 2. So what is we are getting 2 to the power 6 by 2 to the power okay, this will be 3, not 2, this will be 3. 3 to the power 3. Now 2 to the power 6 is your 64 and 2 to the power 3 to the power 3 is 27. So my answer is going to be 64 by 27. I hope all of you got it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Next one is a very interesting question, children. See, this is given to me 33 square minus 31 square to the power 5 by 7. So here this minus this is given and I have to find the square of this value, which will be lengthy one. Its value I have to find out. So what I can do here, I can use the formula like this: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. I will always try to avoid the lengthy calculation if I get a short formula for that. So what I will do here, this can be written as 33 plus 31 into 33 minus 31. So this is for a square minus b square, then whole to the power 5 by 7 is there. So let me write it like this. Now 33 plus 31 is giving me 64 into, this will be 2 into the power 5 by 7. Now you see, I have to write, my aim is always to write an expression which is a bigger value in terms of the prime numbers, that is small values I have to write that. The 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6 into, this is only 2 means 2 to the power 1 to the power 5 by 7. So see, 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 1. I have the formula a to the power n into a to the power n. Base is same, the power will be added. So this gives me 2 to the power 7 whole to the power 5 by 7. So that gives me 2 to the power 7 into 5 by 7. 7 get cancelled. Now 2 to the power 5 is left. 2 to the power 5 will be 52. So that is what we are getting here. All of you are getting it? Got it? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, next question, this one. This looks a very difficult question, but not a very difficult one. Let's see how we are going to solve this question. See what we will do now. First of all, please focus on this bracket. If we focus on this bracket, then it will be a to the power m by a to the power n type, which is giving me a to the power m minus n value. I know when the base is same, then the power is going to be subtracted for division. So here base is a, here base is a. So power will be subtracted. So it gives me now a to the power x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. Now whole to the power 1 by x square plus y square. So that is what we are getting here. This is the first one. For the second expression, what I can write, a to the power y to the power 4 minus z to the power 4 into 1 by y square plus z square. And for the last one, what I can do, is a to the power z square, z to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 into 1 by z square plus x square. So this is what I can write. Now the question is, what can be done next? A to the power m to the power n. A to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. We know that. a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So here m, in place of m we have got x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. In place of n we have got this value. So let me write that one now. If I write that one, I am going to get a to the power x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 into 1 by x square plus y square. So this is what we are getting here, into a to the power y to the power 4 minus z to the power 4 into 1 by y square plus z square into, what to do next? Next what to do? This one, this expression. Let me write that expression as a to the power z to the power 4 minus x to the power 4 into 1 by z square plus x square. Got it all of you? Okay. Now let's go ahead. So that makes it a to the power. See this children, x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. I can use this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b here. So here you see x to the power 4. So this x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square minus y square whole square. Now x square whole square minus y square whole square. So this is a, this is b. So this can be written as something x square plus y square, that is your a plus b, and x square minus y square, that is your a minus b. So if I am going to write x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 like that, what I am going to get here? See here, this is x square plus y square into x square minus y square whole divided by, children, this one is coming, x square plus y square. Okay. Now let's come to the next one. Now for the next one, what I am going to get? There will be y square plus z square into y square minus z square. So we will get a to the power y square plus z square into y square minus z square divided by, this is for this part, for what I can write y square plus z square, y square plus z square, and finally what we will get? A to the power, for this part, a to the power z square plus x square into z square minus x square divided by z square plus x square. So you can see these two get cancelled, these two get cancelled, and these two get cancelled. So we'll be left with what, children? A to the power x square minus y square here into a to the power y square minus z square into a to the power z square minus x square. Now see what we are getting. A to the power this, a to the power this, a to the power this. All of you can say here कि the base is constant, so power will be added. So that is the formula for exponent. When the base is same, power will be getting added. So let us add those powers. So what we are getting? X square minus y square, that is a power x square minus y square, plus next power y square minus z square, plus next power z square minus x square. So you can see here x square plus minus get cancelled, y square also get cancelled, and z square also get cancelled. So you are going to get what? A to the power 0 now, and anything to the power 0 we have read at 1. So the answer of this particular question is 1. Got it? It looks a very difficult one, but not so difficult. Okay, now let's come to the next one. Okay, next one is based on this formula. If a to the power x is equal to a to the power y implies x is equal to y. Implies x is equal to y. Well, this is how we are going to solve this question. Both sides And in an equation, if base is same both sides, the power will be equated. Power has to be equated to solve this type of question. See what to do now. Given 2 to the power 3y minus x is equal to 16. So what is our aim actually in this particular question? How to solve, what to do next? The thing what we will do here, we will use this formula, this concept. To use this concept, what to do? The base has to be same in both the sides. Here, the left hand side base is 2, so right hand side base has to be 2. So for that, you have to think. 2 to the power what will give me 16? And for if you are getting it, okay, or else what we will do? We will find the factors like this. 2, 4, this is 2, 2. So 4 times 2 we are getting. So 16 is going to be 2 to the power 4. So what I can write? What I can write here? We can write 16 as 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 3y minus x is equal to 2 to the power 4. So your 3y minus x is equal to 4. Now this is equation number 1. Children, this is equation number 1. Now let's go to the next equation. For that we will go to the next equation. This is 2 to the power 2y plus x. 2 to the power 2y plus x is equal to 2048. So if I check and solve it, I am going to get 2 to the power 11 actually. So a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, that means x has to be y. So your 2y plus x is equal to 11. Now that is equation number 2. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. I have to solve these two equations to get the value of x and y. So what will I do? Just let me write this equation one by one. 3y minus x is equal to 4, and then 2y plus x is equal to, what is that? 11. Okay, let me add these two equations. If I add these two equations, what I am getting? X get cancelled. 3y plus 2y is 5y is equal to 15. So y value I am going to get 3. So I got the value of y, and the question is find the value of y. If the question is find the value of x also, we could have write it that way. We can find we got the value of y, we can put it in the expression in equation 1 or equation 2 to get the value of x. Anyway, in this particular question, I have to find the value of y. I got the value of y as 3. That's all. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. This question, what is it? 1 by 512 to the power 2x plus 12. 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 18. Then find the value of x. It's again a similar type of question, students. The only difference is that here something is written in the denominator and something in the numerator. So what we have to do actually, I can convert this one, I can take this one to the numerator. Now the question is how will take that one to the numerator? So I can use this concept 1 by a to the power m. It is something written like this. We can write it as a to the power minus m. So I can use this one to solve this question. So what will I do? First by m is to bring both the LHS and RHS to the numerator so that I can equate the powers by making the base same. Here the base is 2 to the power 18. So let me do the base. Let me write the base of this one as 2. Okay. So 512 is nothing but 2 to the power 9. So let me write 2 to the power 9 for 512. Okay. So this is 1 by 2 to the power 9 to the power 2x plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 18. Now the denominator we can see 2 to the power m to the power n. I can use this formula something like this, 2 to the power m into n. Means these two has to be multiplied. So let me multiply 9 to this 2x plus 2. So that I'll get what? 1 by 2 to the power 9 into 2x 18x plus 9 into 2 is 18. That makes it 2 to the power 18. Okay. Now base is same here 2. Here also base is 2. But here the expression is in the denominator. I have to bring this to the numerator. By using this concept, a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m. So I can bring this to the numerator something a is 2 here, and the power has to be in negative form of this one. That is minus 18x minus 18 is equal to 2 to the power 18. I think all of you are getting it now. Now it is in the form of a to the power x is equal to a to the power y. I hope all of you are getting it. If it is a to the power x is equal to a to the power y, I can write x is equal to y. So in place of x, you can see, all of you can see it is 18x minus 18, and in the right hand side in place of y it is 18. So your minus 18x is going to be 36, and your x is going to be 36 by minus 18, that is minus 2. So minus 2 is going to be my answer. So answer is minus 2. Got it all of you? Okay, let's go to the next one. Right. This is given x to the power y into y to the power is equal to 256, and we have to find out the value of y square minus x square. It is given that x and y are positive integers and x is less than y. Okay, so what is our aim? Our aim is actually to write 256 in form of two numbers. Product of two numbers. I can write something like this. You can see 256 into 1. Then I can write what? 32 into 8. I can write 64 into 4. I can write 16 into 16. So many ways I can write. Alright, now let us see if I write these things. This will be your 2 to the power 8, and this will be 2 to the power 0 in form of your prime factorization. If I am writing prime factorization matlab in prime numbers, in form of prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, etc., those type of. Alright, so it will be 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3. This is going to be 2 to the power, what is it? 2 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 2. Now this is going to be 2 to the power 4, and this is also going to be 2 to the power 4. So here is a possibility that I can write it as x to the power y and y to the power x form, because this can be written as 4 to the power 2 form, and this can be written as 2 to the power 4 form. 4 to the power 2 is 16, 2 to the power 4 is also 16. You can see any other places you are not going to get those things. So that is what you have to think here. What type of two numbers we are going to write, so that this is in power form, this is in power form, will give you the value of 256, and these two are in reverse order, x, y, y, x, like that. So at the end what I am getting actually 4 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 256. So this is what I am getting. So x and y, you can see x is less than y. So out of these two, one is x, one is y. So because x is less, so x value is equal to 2, y value is equal to 4. This is what we are getting. Now the question is what is y square minus x square. So for that what will I do? Y square minus x square. Y value is 4, whole square is 16, x value is 2, whole square is 4, and what I am getting now? 16 minus 4, that is 12. So 12 is going to be my answer for this particular question. All of you got it now? Okay. Now let's go to the next question. What is it? X plus y to the power 3 is equal to this one. X plus y to the power 3, we read it as x plus y whole cube is equal to 1331. This is given to me. And the other one is x minus y to the power 5 is equal to 243. Now, these are the two equations that is given to me. My question is what is x square minus y square. All of you please remember, please recall this formula. We have read that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what will we get if we write x square minus y square as x plus y into x minus y? as x plus y into x minus y, if I write, what I am going to get? Obviously x square minus y square. That means my aim is to find x plus y and x minus y. And for that, what is given to me? X plus y whole cube is given to me. X minus y whole to the power 5 is given to me. So what to do now? What to do now? So my aim is to make this one cube of something. So power has to be equated so that I will get x plus y. I can make the base equal. Something like this. A to the power x is equal to b to the power x implies a is equal to b. That means I have to make the power. I have to make the power same so that the base will be equated. Okay, what to do then? Now let me write 1331 as the power in terms of power 3, and that is going to be 11 to the power 3. So this will be 11 to the power 3. So your x plus y is going to be 11. So I got the first equation, or I got the value of x plus y. What to do? Next I have to find the value of x minus y. For that I have given with the second equation. And just similar to this one, what I am going to do here, I have to express this 243 as power of 5, as something power 5, and then that something has to be equated with this x minus y. Now the question is, what to the power 5 is there? So I will have to make the factorization of this. If I make the factorization of this, I can see that 3 to the power 5 is equal to 243. So I have to write x minus y to the power 5 is equal to 3 to the power 5. So this x minus y is going to be what? 3. Equation number 2. So I got the value of x plus y, I got the value of x minus y. I have to find out x square minus y square. Your x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Well, x plus y value is equal to 11 and x minus y value is equal to what? 3. So 11 into 3, that is going to be 33 is my answer. So answer to this question is 33. Let's move on to the next question. What is it? Okay, which is greater among the following? So see students, see children, which is greatest? How to find that one? In exponent form, either the base will be same, either the power will be same. In that case, we will decide here. In this particular cases, I can see the base are different, powers are also different. So I will have to make either the base same or the power same. Which will be easier, we will do that. In this particular question, I can see ki base 5, I can make the base 5 to all this or all this. So let me do that. This 5 to the power 23, it will be as it is. I am not going to simplify it. 25 to the power 11, I will have to simplify it. So 25 can be written as 5 square to the power 11, so it will be 5 to the power 22. 625 to the power 6. So 625 to the power 6 will be 5 to the power 4. Well, 5 to the power 4 is 625 to the power 6. So that will make it 5 to the power 6 to the power 5 to the power 4 to the power 6, that is 5 to the power 4 into 6, 5 to the power 24. Then the final one, 3125. 3125 to the power 5. So here base is to be, can be written as 5 to the power 5 whole to the power 5. So that makes it 5 to the power 25. So here I got the expression of all these in terms of base 5. So the highest power, highest exponent will have the greatest value. So I can see 25, 24, 22 and 23. So this is having greatest exponent. So this 3125 to the power 5 is the largest of all the values. Got it all of you? Okay today. So this is for today. In the next video, we'll discuss some more questions about these exponent powers. Till then, keep studying. Okay? Bye.